Installing Gym Guard is a two-person job and should take just 10 or 20 minutes for a typical basketball court. Begin by rolling the full rack to one corner of the gym floor. Lock it into place with the wheel brakes before loosening the yellow safety bar on each end of the roll. Each person can then grab a corner of a cover roll and together walk the cover section down the length of the floor. Once one section is down, unroll any extra still attached to the rack. Unlock the wheels and move the rack over approximately 10 feet. Center the rack over the next section of the gym floor to be covered. Lock the wheels again and repeat the process. The rest of the rolls of Gym Guard are deployed this way until the floor is fully covered. Keep in mind that there should be 6 to 12 inches of overlap between strips of Gym Guard for complete coverage and to ensure dirt and trash does not get to the floor underneath. To protect against liquid spills and to eliminate any risk of tripping, use our specially formulated Gym Guard tape to connect sections together. Tape can be applied with either our handheld dispenser or our optional walk-behind dispenser. The walk-behind dispenser allows application without bending or kneeling and greatly speeds the process. Gym Guard tape is formulated so that it does not leave any sticky residue when removed. Use of other types of tape is not recommended, as they can be more difficult to remove and can damage the cover.